Today I'm talking on an issue that is so important, very, very important to most of us, and that is assumptions. Majority, or even all of us, at one point or the other, we assume. How do we avoid assumptions? How do we avoid the mistakes or even tragedy of assumptions to be a better person? And that's the topic for today. One, to avoid assumptions, you have to question your thinking pattern. And the first step is to question your default response. What do I mean by your default response? Ask yourself some helpful questions that can give you clarity. Like, why am I thinking this way? Is this an old way of thinking? Am I just presuming? Could there be an alternative to what I am thinking? What else could be the truth apart from my own presumption? What's the worst thing that can happen if I question it? Where can I look or search for the truth? And in asking these questions, the answers is just like a philosopher who is thinking. And in asking these questions and you are providing answers, it helps you to avoid assumptions that are very bad. Second, mind your language. Honestly, we have to be very careful when we are talking or dealing with others. What you say matters. And at times, words are like egg. Once you speak them out, it's like when a raw egg is broken, you can't put it back. The same thing with words. Once you say it. So, if you assume wrongly, you cannot undo your words. That's why you have to mind your language. Minding one's language is much better than triggering negative assumptions. Minding your language is better than triggering negative assumptions in yourself and the person in front of you. 3, ask instead of assuming. There's nothing wrong. Or a situation where you disagree with someone and assume they're wrong. Listen carefully by paying attention to them. Then ask to clarify issues or statements. Uncover the truth before you make assumptions. Improved relationships comes only with genuine understanding of issues, which is the win-win situation at all times. The fourth one is taking an objective perspective. I love this. It's good for us to take an informed or an objective perspective. Seeking professional advice is very good. And it's the same way as confirming your assumptions before acting on them. Other people's experiences can give you perspective and help you make the right decision. You can also try to reverse the situation and imagine how it will feel if someone misjudged you because they assumed something about you. Thank you.